Updating your billing information on Midjourney is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Midjourney website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account for which you want to update the billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage or in a drop-down menu under your profile icon. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Billing or Payment Information section. This will take you to the area where you can view and edit your current billing details. Step 4. Update your payment details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new billing information is saved. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Midjourney. Regularly checking your details can help prevent any disruptions in service.